What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Daily Hustle TV. Today YouTube channel I'll be talking on how to participate on this project, the Solix Depin Project. So if you want to watch videos like this on how to make money online, also AIRDROP, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like this video so that you can also check more on my videos on how to make money on AIRDROPs and also free updates. So let's get started guys. So I'm going to my Telegram so you can get started guys. So this is the project which I posted recently. So to register on this project is very simple. So you need your email and you are good to go. So you come here now, I'll click on the link now and I'll go to my browser so you can get started guys. So I'm using Chrome for this project. Once you paste your link in your browser, so next thing to do is to register. So you put your email here, put your email here, put your password and put your common password. After that, click on this agree. So once you are done, you are good to go. So basically I already have an account here. Just for me to do is to log into my account and get started guys right now. So I'll put my email and put your password. So once you're register your account, you are going to verify your account. They'll send an email to you. You are going to verify your account. So I'll just log into my account now. So I'll get started guys. I'll log into my account now so I can see how the dashboard and how distance AIRDROP works. So once you have logged into your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So I think the network is stopping us here, so I'll refresh my page now. So I'll log in back again. So now I've already logged into my account now. So I've already mined over 36k of this coin, which I already mined now. So next thing to do is to do the tags here, which is you follow them on Twitter, you join their Discord, you join their social media. So once you are done with this social, you are good to go. So you come to this here, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, just like mine now. So you don't need to do anything right here. So you don't need to do anything. So once you have registered, you are good to go. You don't need to do anything here. So it's automatic earnings that is going to be dropping here. So you can also copy your own ref link and also share it to your community so that you can also get started right now. So you can come to this your referral here, you copy your own ref link and you can also see people who have started using your own referral link right here. So you can also check your friends who are also mining this thing, who are also mining Solix Depin link. So these are an email information which I get from them right now. So these are information right here from their support, and they said that it will be fully prepared. So this project will be listing very soon. I don't want anyone to miss on this project, and this project have raised over $29 million to run this project. So I don't want anybody to miss this project or anything. Remember, it's automatic earnings. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do any daily signing. So make sure you jump on this project and also start right now. So if you want to know other projects which I'm also running, also join my Telegram channel in the description below, and don't miss anyone which I posted in my Telegram channel. You can also share this video to your friends and your loved ones who want to get started on AIRDROP and lots more. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video.